see a shadow. I see a shadow. What's me in 20 years? Alright, we'll come back. Oh, this is it. This is it. Come on. Come on down.
Come open your toys.
Oh, he's got some Eatmiser hair. I didn't get a bite.
I knew he was going to say that.
Alright, come on, let's get started.
But you got a big gift basket for me, Jim.
Oh boy.
Tommy, your fish are by a cold spot again. Looking from the door by the cold.
They're gonna freeze. You know what happened to Greg's fish? What did he do? Jump out? Oh yeah.
Jumped down. Went down the tree.
I'm gonna talk about my fish on camera.
People get sad, you know, they jump. I've never seen this movie. Which one? This one you watched? King Jane. Someone turn that after shooting it.
Open and pick up
Yeah, they're not in piles.
Well, some of them are in piles, so. Well, Jen, you could say. That's what I mean. Yeah, but you have to know that because that's actually Tommy's files. I know, but no,
Tom, this is your stuff. This like right here.
Because I hate when we're watching the video. And we're like, oh, look. And then Dad shuts it off and we don't know what we open.
I like checking the tire pressure for you.
Yay! And all the treaches in it. I didn't know that.
That's the
Caesar, I know, Shirley Temple. Little Princess. This is my favorite show.
Maybe not, man.
Maybe it's a football.
Maybe it's beautiful.
It's a Best Buy gift card.
That's awesome.
It is?
Hey, alright. I can finally start my own business.
And you can fix mine.
Greg said he was going yesterday.
Yeah, Greg's like, he's like, yeah, I got a buzzer for Christmas. He's like, I'm gonna bring it to Italy and do everybody in the hotel. He's like, you'll be my first person. I was like, no, tell Mike, he's a sucker, he'll do it.
He's like, yeah, we're just talking about this.
Anything cute. Personally.
Got all the stuff in. And you wanted that stuff. It's got all the stuff.
This is from Thomas.
All of the open ones.
You bought this?
Look, I got a bubble neck, like in the kitchen.
I got Ram.
Oh, Ram from my college?
No.
The mascot?
What is it?
Cool! I didn't know they made that. It's a Goofy's limited edition.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
It wasn't me, it must have been Santa Claus.
And serial number one.
What did he say, Jolly Day?
Yeah, what's happening?
Only thing I know from the movie.
Includes all 46 of Goofy's, and you have to open the rest.
Yeah, probably his little shorts.
Cool.
Isn't that the first one that he was ever in? Because
Probably has a booklet in there.
the first one he was in, he wasn't actually a character. He was just a person like in the stands at Mickey's
Oh, yeah.
baseball game or
Yeah, I
something like
remember
that.
that. And he looked
he
totally
left.
different.
Yeah, and they're like, you know what, we should keep him because he's kind of unique.
Because he looked more like a dog.
Yeah, he didn't look like
I don't want to open it.
Santa left the... This is too big. He probably brought that.
First of all, it said to Tom. That was your father.
Yeah, Billy.
Don't you put your guys' business? Let him see it now. Didn't say Tommy.
Sorry, they have the same name.
I know. Bill Tommy, just give it to him. Let him see it. Just rewrap it. It's no big deal. It's just a little thing. It's one of the original ones.
This is Evan Costello.
Alright, come on.
I don't know how to there. Okay.
Like, open up the inside. Why don't we do our stockings?
No, because there's something.
Jen, make tea.
Is this
I have it already. I'll make it. Hey, fellows, can you tell me what year it is at least on here?
2008.
Oh, you're so funny. Billy, what year is it? 2000 what?
2.
Thank you.
Doesn't speak very good English.
I mean, neither did you at his age. I don't know why. Everything looks so pretty.
You know what I'm disappointed about? I don't see any,
So, Tommy, you like that thing, huh?
I don't see anything shaped like a Jack the Ripper book.
You got what?
Hey, what's everybody doing? Well, I made tea. I'll put the tea on right now. Well, what are they doing?
It didn't do enough. Every time I moved, it would just like all of it was
the
like.
bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah, it stays all the way by your feet. You know,
Oh,
I was like
that's
this
a basket from Aunt Jill.
In the movies, it's like all.
I
over.
put so much in the other
Look
night.
how
It was so
beautiful
many
that
bubbles,
is.
But I used the Bath and Body Works and it was awesome. Even I get a house.
Let's see what this is.
Open up the can of beer. Are there any special things on it? Because the Philadelphia store is. That's that Jimmy Smith.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, Christmassy. It's raining out. It's supposed to snow.
Is the pepper on the table still?
It's solid. Yeah.
Oh, there's me in the mirror.
Huh?
I just saw you and me in the mirror.
How come one of my other ones was special edition and this one's not?
Because it probably came out earlier.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll film you.
Let's see what it is. Looks like a book. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have this.
No, you could not. You didn't.
I think I have the soft cover.
So that's hardcover.
Oh. Let me go check.
Okay.
I think you do.
Billy's gone.
I can't believe I did that.
I know. Neither can I.
How much did you pay for it? Hardcover. Calvin. Alright, Calvin. Oh, I wrote on this. What? What did I write? Oh, from Sam. I read it.
She said,
No, this paper's.
no, we'll have to check that size for me. And then I'll get it.
Oh my god. Now we can use the box. Fine. He doesn't have one, and aren't they the same?
It's for everybody.
What do you mean he doesn't have one? Everybody
One
has
of
one.
these. It's a
AirPod.
Viewmaster. 3D. Harry Potter Views.
You sure this isn't yours, Mom?
Yeah. Mom came home with it the other day. She's like, it's a fun thing. Look what I got.
Here.
I thought it was like a Harry Potter
Speed it, 'cause
camera.
I know you want it.
How do you open this? How do you My third one.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I wrapped that. Oh yeah, I didn't really wrap it.
So this is like the same thing Tommy has, like mine's like full?
No, Tommy didn't just open that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
No,
it's
it's totally different.
Oh.
His was kind of like this one.
Yeah, let me check.
Something big.
Ooh, creepy.
Yeah, like the pants. I thought you were giving it to them as their pajama top. That's why I didn't.
Alright,
Because
now.
it matches the pants.
This is
Put it
Matt
on.
Beeks.
What size is it?
Large.
I thought you were a large.
Yeah, and shirts. And sweatshirts.
Alright.
Using
Oh.
You
Big
didn't have one, did you?
spice. You spice up your cider. You put spice.
Spice of your life.
Thanks.
Alright. Here I go. Same box. Let's see what it is.
Mom did that last night.
Now,
Extra
Billy, that's an
large.
extra large. Try it on. Let's see what the extra large looks like.
Hey.
It's the best one.
It
is?
Look.
See what else? Don't tell you
Look
Father
at
Ben.
the cap.
Thank you.
It was a busy little owl last night. Busy night owl.
Oh, but that's... Oh,
What?
ribbon.
This came with a decoder.
Oops. Alright. Not going about that.
Up in Harry Potter.
Stallion.
Right, February is much colder.
Jen, sit down and open something.
Sit down.
Yeah, sit
I'm
down.
opening Mom's
All right, I can
thing.
do that.
Watch my view.
That's why I thought you were being
Wait a
nice.
second. I got two Mr. Bubbles.
No.
No.
Maybe this is yours.
Great.
Oh,
Don't
hey,
you
thank
read anything?
It said Billy on it.
Yeah, I think you were Billy first.
That's fine.
This is from Debbie. Not Mom's friend.
Another one, sweet third.
Debbie Mom.
Keep it full.
Oh, no, it's Mary
See that?
Engelbrain.
Whatever.
Ooh, she makes hot chocolate.
This looks very interesting. I'm very interested.
Michael's purse.
I don't even want to open it. I want to like think of
Does it say
There
Billy?
Yeah,
Yeah,
make
It's
sure.
better. Tommy.
See?
See?
He's like,
Anything
what's
I want
this?
is his.
Mom.
You can
I don't even know what it is.
open it.
Back to the...
How many DVDs are you getting?
Complete trilogy.
Electrifying DVD
Yeah, it comes with
special
all
features.
I got two $5 DVDs. He's getting these special limited edition.
Alright, stop. Because they weren't staying closed, the cover kept popping off because the stuff didn't fit.
Back in the basket. Pick up something else. Put stuff in the
He
basket.
wants me out of his vision. To Jen from us. You. See, I'm gonna open at the same time as you. I'm not opening anything because you guys are doing it.
So what?
Look what I got. The story of the Rockefeller Center tree. Rockefeller Center.
That
Look.
is nice.
That's
Internal hard
Tommy,
drive.
remind me before I go, in the middle of all the chaos, to give you the receipts for that stuff. So if you want to exchange it, you have the receipts.
cool. You know what these are? Those whistle
Let's
candies.
see now.
Like in
The old
Chitty
stuff.
Chitty Bang Bang.
That's some stuff for you guys, so you can't touch that
They
stuff.
can. No, that's Billy's.
Oh.
No, that's Dad's, I mean. Sorry.
Tommy,
Dad,
put
why
it
did
on
you
the
make
piano bench behind you.
Yes! I don't have this. I want to.
I want that.
So, someday soon we'll have a DVD burner and then we can just burn off each other.
Well, he does have the,
No, DVD. That's from me. Good.
Well, does Jen want you doing all those things right now, Tony?
What is it? It's just like a figurine.
Who's this? Who was that?
Something to add to my collection.
Those are yours from down that tray. No, those are yours. Here, mommy. Get that in. There's a little one that just looked at like that. Dad.
Bet you did for banana. Come on, wasn't this supposed to come with a hat? I think we're supposed to.
Well, then put it
It's
back
not
in
in
there.
there.
Where's the receipt?
It's upstairs.
Somewhere.
It comes with it?
No, don't take that off.
No.
Oh,
Because then if you want to exchange it, you
I don't
won't
want to
have it.
exchange it.
Is this?
Oh, okay, alright.
Or hands. Rub it
Don't
if your
touch-
hands are bothering you.
Now I know what it is. I didn't
So
look at
what?
mine.
We'll take it down then.
What else
I'm
could
not
you
gonna
think
open
it
my
is?
presents.
Let your sister open her presents
You
before
guys
you go
do
through that,
every
please.
year.
Whoa.
To Jenny,
we were opening
Lenny,
stuff
from
up left.
Sandy,
Come on,
and-
$10 borders card. Go over the borders.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what are you doing?
Dad,
Yeah.
your dad wants to talk. I don't have a cordless. You gotta give it up.
All right.
This is the same one I just got me.
What is it?
He got me this.
What's that? Oh,
Oh, I liked that one.
I thought you guys had that already. Yeah, because I thought it just came out on DVD. I saw it in the store.
And I love Gregory Peck. I love the Hepburn. Oh, I like that one. Thank you.
And
Oh, did you take your lighter? I'll take that right now and come back.
what's this? A little purse to put my toiletries in. Something.
Little Christmas
Thank you.
purse.
Not the muffin man.
I'm taking like 8 pills a day.
Ooh. Thank you. Please.
Very pretty.
Thanks, Dad. I hardly have any bracelets. 'Cause my
Yeah, me either. Mine keep disappearing.
Mine keep breaking.
This is yours.
Oh, wait, Billy, inside on the table. Tony, can you pull that candle out behind you? That's gone way too low. Up on the table. And
Thank you.
up on the table back there. Can
Very
you pull the
pretty
candle out?
card.
And Billy, can you go get that, right behind DJ's basket.
On the dining room table. The one with the girly stuff in it.
Is deep. No. That is pretty. I like the way you do it. Very
Sweetie,
pretty.
please eat. Besides peanut.
You gotta sit down a little fella. You're too big to hold in frame here.
Yeah, but basket ornaments. Yeah.
They're not best one. Yeah, they want us to.
Yeah, that's what I mean, but they're baskets. Thank you. Now I just have to open this.
Oh, Santa Claus.
I don't think I have to bring this back on the
No.
Nice job, Tommy. Wrapped it sideways.
What's ball?
Where's the top? Oh. I
Need
guess.
the, need that knife?
Yeah, Tommy wrapped it upside down.
It's a DVD player.
Paper! Ooh!
And you
The
already have
large Longaberger mixing bowl. Extra
the
large.
extra large. And you already have the bowl for that, right? The star bowl.
Yeah.
You have the star basket.
Oh, you put it in here?
You can, if you want to serve in it.
Yeah. Because I love
How's she gonna
this.
get this hole?
We use the star bowl all the time. This I could bring with me in my camera.
Do you have the optional CD player for that?
Nobody got that. Optional CD